Okay, today we shall discuss about the problems. That is, a three-phase transmission line has a conductor diameter of 1.8 centimeter each. The conductor being spaced as shown in the figure. They have given the figure and they have given the diameter also and distance between the conductors also. And they have asked to find out the inductance per phase of a 50 kilometer long transmission line. Radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. They have given diameter, so in that too they have given in terms of centimeter, so we have taken 10 to the power of minus 2 convert in meter. So if you solve this, what will get 0.009 meter. R dash is equal to what? 0.7788 into R. R value we know, so substitute and get the value of R dash. You will get 7.0092 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meter. Next, DCA, that is DBC. Okay, they have given the values of that distance between the conductors. The equation for this is transposed equation. LA is equal to 2 into 10 to the power of minus 7 ln D equation divided by R dash. In last class, we have derived this equation. Once you go through that topic, 2 into 10 to the power of minus 4. Why they have taken minus 4 means Henry per kilometer. They have converted into per kilometer. So 2 into 10 to the power of minus 4 ln cube root of DAB, DBC, DCA divided by R dash. We know all the values. Substitute and get the value. You will get 1.3504 into 10 to the power of minus 3 Henry per kilometer. They have given that 50 kilometer long transmission line. So when you multiply, what you will get? 1.3504 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into 50, you will get 0.06752 Henry. That is what the inductance. Next problem, calculate the inductance of each conductor in a three-phase, three-wire system. Conductors are arranged in horizontal plane with spacing. They have given the three conductors. The spacing D31 is equal to 4 meter. Here you can observe the figure. The three conductors 1, 2, 3. Okay, the distance between the 1 and 2 is they have given 2 meter. And the distance between 2 and 3 also 2 meter, and the distance between 3 and 1 is 4 meter. Okay, they have given the distance between 3 and 1 is 4 meter. Conductors are transposed and have a meter than centimeter. It is in centimeter. So 2.5 into 10 to the power of minus 2 divided by 2. The equal to what you will get? 1.25 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meter. R dash is equal to 0.7788 into 1.25 into 10 to the power of minus 2. We know the value of R. We have substituted. What you will get R dash value? 0.9735 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meter. D equation, what is the D equation? Cube root of D12, D23, D31. Okay. So cube root of 2 into 2 into 4. What will get? 2.5198 meter. That is the D equation value. Okay. 2 into 10 to the power of minus 7 ln D equation divided by R dash. This is the unsymmetrical index of unsymmetrical spacing with transposed. Okay. But transposed conductors. That equation is transposed equation. Okay. 2 into 10 to the power of minus 7 ln D equation value and R dash value. If you calculate 1.11 micro Henry per meter. 1.11 into 10 to the power of minus 6. We want in terms of per kilometer. So into 1000 they have done into 1000. Okay. Henry per kilometer. So what you will get? L is equal to 1.11 milli Henry per kilometer. Okay. Conductors of a three-phase line are arranged at the corners of a triangle. Offside 2 meter, 2.5 meter and 4.5 meter. That means they have given the distance between the conductors starting 2 meters, 2.5 and the next is 4.5. Calculate the inductance per kilometer of the line when the conductors are regularly transposed and the conductor diameter they have given 1.24 centimeter. We need to convert into radius. We will get that 0.62 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meter when we convert the diameter value to radius value. And what about r dash? R dash is equal to 0.2 r. If you calculate, you'll get 4.82, that is 4.8285 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meter. DAB they have given 2 meter, DBC is equal to 4.5 meter, DCA is equal to 2.5 meter. If they have not given the diagram, we need to consider, okay, just to understanding, for understanding purpose. LA is equal to 2 into 10 to the power of minus 7 ln D equation divided by r dash Henry per meter. They have converted into Henry per kilometer, so 2 into 10 to the power of minus 4. If you multiply 1000 also, you'll get the same thing, okay, 2 into 10 to the power of minus 4 ln cube root of DAB, DBC, DCA divided by 4 point r dash value they have substituted. You can observe 2 into 10 to the power of minus 4 ln, we have substituted all the values and you'll get the LA is equal to 1.274 millihenry per kilometer. Okay. Next problem is two conductors of a single phase line, each of 1 centimeter diameter and arranged in a vertical plane with one conductor mounted 1 meter above the other. A second identical line is mounted at the same height as the first and spaced horizontally 0.25 meter above, that is apart from it. If you observe the figure, you will understand easily. Okay, instead of 0.25 meter, they have written 25 centimeter. Okay, don't get confused. They are saying that one conductor mounted 1 meter above the other. That means here two conductors, you can observe here A and A dash, 1 meter distance between the two conductors. A second identical line is mounted at the same height as the first and spaced horizontally apart from it. This is a horizontally spaced is 0.25 meter. Okay, they are saying that first and second, two identical conductors, between the spacing is 2.5 meter. The two upper and the two lower conductors are connected in parallel. Determine the inductance per kilometer of the resulting double circuit line. That means 4 into 10 to the power of minus 7 you will get here. So here diameter of each conductor they are given 1 centimeter. So if you want in terms of meter, then you will get 0.01 meter. So radius is equal to 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meter. R dash is equal to, if you substitute the value of R and if you calculate, you will get 3.89. 4 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meter. Here the AB dash, okay, the distance between the AB dash we don't know. Okay, we need to find out that distance DAA dash A is 1 meter. That is from here to here and from here to here 1 meter only. And the distance between the B and B dash also same 1 meter it will be. Okay, and the distance between A dash and B dash they have given 25 centimeter, or we can write it in meter 0.25 meter. And here also A to B also 0.25 meter. What about A to B dash or B to A, that is A dash to B? Okay, if we want to find out, then 1 meter 25 centimeter, or we can say we have converted because this is in 1 meter, or we can write 1 meter and 0.25 meter. Okay, just I have written in terms of centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. To find out AB dash, what we can write, square root of 100 square plus 25 square. If you calculate that, we will get this value, distance between the A and B dash. Okay. So we get that value is 103.07 centimeter. If you want to write in terms of meter, means 1.03 meter. L is equal to 4 into 10 to the power of minus 7 ln dm divided by ds. That is, dm is here mutual GMD. You will read in detail in next classes. Mutual GMD, that is 4 root of DAB, DAB dash, DBA dash, DBA. That is, substitute all the values. First AB you need to write, and AB dash and BA dash. Next BA. Okay. AB and BA, AB dash and BA dash. Okay. These 4 values we have substituted, and if you calculate, you will get 0.5074 meter. And ds is equal to means particular conductor. Okay, particular conductor. DAA, DAA dash, DA dash A, and DA dash A dash. If you substitute all the values, you will get 0.06240 meter. So substitute in the formula, what you will get? 8.3828 into 10 to the power of minus 4 Henry per kilometer. That can be written as, in terms of milli Henry, 0.8382 milli Henry per kilometer. Okay. Next is inductance of a three-phase double circuit with symmetrical spacing. Okay. Inductance of three-phase, till now we have discussed, that is a single circuit. Okay. We have not discussed about double circuit. Inductance of a three-phase double circuit with the symmetrical spacing. You can observe the distance between these two and here. Okay, the distance will be same between x and y to z. Here, consider the three-phase double circuit with conductors placed at the vertices of regular hexagon, which is shown in the figure. You can observe the figure. They have given the distance is from here to here. That is square root of 3d by 2 and square root of 3d by 2. Okay, they have divided. Okay, from here to here. Once again, I'll take another color so that you will understand easily. So from here to here, okay, half part is square root of 3d by 2 and half part is square root of 3d by 2. And from here to here the distance is d by 2, and from here to here the distance is d by 2. From here to here the distance is d. Okay, and here the distance between the x and z dash and z and x dash is d. Okay, and between the distance between the x and x dash is 2d. Okay, you need to remember and you need to practice more this one. Okay, because you will get confused with the distance between the conductors. Here dxz. Okay, dxz, the distance between the x and z is 2 times of square root of 3d divided by 2. So 2 times of means 2 get cancelled, square root of 3d. Square root of 3d is the distance between the x and z. Okay, and also it is similar distance for x dash and z dash. Okay, x dash and z dash. Next, dxy dyz, that is dxy dyz. We don't know the distance between that. Okay, square root of, and that is square root of square root 3d square root of 3 into d divided by 2 whole square plus d divided by 2 whole square. How they will find out means, for example, Okay. Let's take some triangle. Okay, like that. This is x. Okay, and this is y. This part I have taken. Okay, small part I have taken. The here square root of 3d divided by 2. Okay, and here d by 2. This distance is d by 2, and we need to find out the distance between the x and y. So square root of, again square root of 3 into d divided by 2 whole square plus d divided by 2 whole square. You will get the value is 4d square divided by 4. 4 get cancelled. You will get d. Okay, d is the distance between the x and y and z, or we can say between x dash and y dash, and between y dash and z dash. Okay, for these all the distance is d only. And next we need to find out the distance between the dx y dash. Okay, dx to y dash. Okay, we need to find out the distance between the x and y dash. I have written the diagram. You can observe the distance between here is x to z. We have divided. Okay, here square root of 3d divided by 2, and here d, and again d by 2. So d plus d by 2. The total distance from here to is d plus d by 2 whole square plus square root of 3 into d divided by 2 whole square. If you solve this, you will get square root of 3 into d. That is what the distance between the x and y dash. Next, between the x and x dash, they have given that 2d. Between the x and x dash, they have given 2d. If you solve also, you will get the same value, 2d. Okay. Next, y forming one circuit where conductors x dash, y dash and z dash are forming another circuit. Let us find the flux linkage of conductor x due to current in other phases. That is psi x is equal to, we need to find out the flux linkage of that is conductor. Okay, flux linkage of conductor, that is psi x is equal to 2 into 10 to the power of minus 7 ix ln 1 divided by r dash. This is nothing but dxx. Okay, one second. Distance you can refer in this PDF. Okay, the distance between the x and x is will be first. In yesterday class also I have said that if we are taking the flux linkage of y conductor, then we will write ln 1 by r dash for y. That is distance between the y and y. Okay, here psi x is equal to 2 into 10 to the power of minus 7. First conductor, that is ix. The current of that is conductor x current is ix ln 1 by r dash plus ln dx dash plus iy ln 1 divided by dxy plus ln 1 divided by dxy dash ln 1 divided by dxz plus ln 1 divided by dxz dash. In last case, we have considered only 1 divided by dxy and 1 divided by dxz, because here double circuit, we need to consider xy and xy dash and xz and xz dash. So we don't know the distance. Okay, we that is, we have found out the distance between the conductors. Okay, what is the value of dxx dash is, value is 2d. Okay, you can observe here dxx dash value is 2d. X dash value is 2d. So next x dxy distance is what? Dxy distance, you can observe here the distance between x and y is we have found out capital D. We can write that capital D. The distance between x and y is capital D, and the distance between the x and y dash is square root of 3 into D, and the distance between the x and z is square root of 3 into D, and the distance between the x and z dash is capital D. Okay. Now we have substituted the value of all the distances. Next, psi x is equal to 2 into 10 to the power of minus 7 ix ln 1 by r dash plus ln 1 divided by 2d. You can observe here this is similar. Okay. So we can take out common ln 1 divided by d plus ln 1 divided by square root of 3d, square root of 3 into d. If you take out this common, what you will get? Iy plus iz. In the balance condition, ix plus iy plus iz is equal to 0. So what we can write? Iz can be replaced in terms of minus ix. Okay, because ix plus iy plus iz is equal to 0. From that we can take out iy plus iz. Then you will get minus ix. So replace instead of iy plus iz minus ix. If we have substituted minus ix, then what you will get? This is a log a plus log b can be written as log a into b. That is what they have written here. 2 into d into r dash. Okay. Again here log a plus log b. Log a into b. Square root of 3 into d square. So log a minus log b. Log a divided by b. So log a divided by b, if you do, what you will get? Square root of 3 d square divided by 2d r dash. 2 into 10 to the power of minus 7 ix ln square root of 3 into d. D get cancelled. Okay, here 1d get cancelled. So square root of 3 into d divided by 2 into r dash you will get. What is the inductance? Flux linkage divided by current. So Lx is equal to flux linkage divided by current, that is 2 into 10 to the power of minus 7 ln square root of 3 into d divided by 2r dash Henry per meter. As the conductors are in parallel, conductors inductance of each phase, that is 1 by 2 into inductance per phase, that is 1 by 2 into Lx. So what you will get? 1 into 10 to the power of minus 7 ln square root of 3 into d divided by 2 r dash Henry per meter. Next problem we shall solve on this topic. A double circuit three-phase 50 Hz line has its conductor at vertices of regular hexagon of side that given 3.5 meter. The diameter of a conductor is 2 cm. Find the inductance and inductive reactance of a line per phase per kilometer. Diameter they have given 2 cm. Find out the r dash value, that is you will get 0.7788 into r value. If you multiply 10, they have given d value is 2 cm. 2 divided by 2 you will get 1. Okay, 1 into 10 to the power of minus 2. That is what they have written here, 0.7788 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meter. They have given the diagram. Okay, distance also they have given, d is equal to 3.5 meter they have given. If they have not given, we need to find out, and the distance between here to here is, till here, square root of 3 into d by 2. You need to solve. If they have not given, you know the diagram, right? You need to solve. Okay, you need to remember the distance between a and c. What you will get here? 2, that is d also. Here also d, 3.5 meter. 3.5 meter. Here square root of 3 into d divided by 2. Okay, here d by 2, and here also d, and from a to a dash is 2d. They have found. If you remember, no need to find out. Okay, you can solve that directly. distance between AB and AB dash and A dash. You know how to find out, solve this. Okay, I will say directly here, LA is equal to 2 into 10 to the power of minus 7 ln square root of 3 into D into divided by 2 R dash. Okay, we know the value of D is 3.5. Instead of finding so much here, we need to know the value of D. If you found out this distance between the conductors, fine. If we have not found out also, okay, because we just need the value of D. Okay. So LA is equal to 2 into 10 to the power of minus 4. Why they have taken minus 4? You can observe here Henry per meter, here Henry per kilometer, and 10 to the power of minus 4. Ln square root of 3 into D value 3.5, 2 into R dash value 7.77, 7.788 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Okay. After substituting the value, you will get 1.1928 into 10 to the power of minus 3 Henry per kilometer. We know the value of inductance. Inductance per phase per kilometer, we got 1.1928 millihenry. Next is the inductive reactance. They have given the frequency value. XL is equal to 2 pi FL. 2 pi F value and L value. Substitute and get the value. You will get 0.3747 ohm. In next class, we shall discuss about the other topic, that is inductance of a conductor with a double circuit and but transposed.